Hey guys, if your download speed keeps dropping to 0 on Steam, then keep watching, as in this video I'm going to show you how we can fix this. So the first thing you need to do is head over to the Steam application and click on Steam in the top left hand side, then click on Settings and then scroll down and select Downloads. In the download region, you want to change this to the closest region to your location. So for me, that's going to be UK London, and then you can close out of this window. You then need to head over to the Start menu and search for Control Panel and click on the Control Panel window. Then make sure View By is set to Large Icons and select Network and Sharing Center. From the left-hand panel, select Change Adapter Settings and then locate your Wi-Fi from this list. Once you've found your Wi-Fi, right-click on it, select Properties, and then select Internet Protocol version 4 and click Properties. Now we're going to change where it says Obtain DNS server address automatically to use the following DNS server addresses, and you're just going to type in 8888 and 8844 and then press OK to save the changes and close out of this window. You then need to head back over to the Start menu, search for CMD, and then right click on the command prompt and run as administrator. In this window, type in ipconfig /flush DNS and hit enter. Then type in netsh /winsock reset and hit enter. Then you'll need to close out of this window and restart your computer. Then the last thing you'll need to do is head over to your Start menu and search for Device Manager and click on the Device Manager window. Then select Disk Drives and expand this drop-down. Right-click on your disk drive and select Properties. From here, click on the Policies tab and uncheck this option where it says Enable Write Caching on the device and press OK. Then if you head back over to the Steam application, and that should have now fixed any download speed issues you were getting. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below and I'll see you in the next one.